In choosing my path, I had mentioned in a previous presentation on ethical decision making that it's okay to choose a mixture of options. And so that's what I did. I'm choosing option 3 with a little bit of option 2. This allows me to gather additional information from stakeholders outside of the committee, and it can help me form ideas to take back to the committee for overall integration. So that I would still be drafting a proposal to take to the committee, but I would be gathering that information from outside stakeholders. And then hopefully that would help the committee to see that a team approach hears all of the voices, and it ultimately allows for the most appropriate and successful philosophy, vision, and mission statements. So let's imagine implementing that plan. First thing I need to do is think what might happen. There were some potential cons to my options, but as a leader, it's my responsibility to lead the committee responsibly, even if it takes some time to get to a collaborative team approach. And I really feel like a collaborative team approach, or taking as much stakeholder information to come to the ultimate vision and mission statement, is the most important. Then I need to identify who needs to know. I should probably inform the superintendent so he isn't caught off guard if there's some disgruntled committee members, and I'll involve the committee in the process of seeking that stakeholder involvement. Perhaps they want to help draft some of the survey questions, because I'm new here and I don't know what I don't know, so I need to gather as much information as possible so that I can meet their expectations. Then I need to determine, can I handle this on my own? You betcha, I sure can. Problem solving, decision making, conflict resolution, these are all tools in my leadership tool belt. Finally, I'll warn the committee members. I won't threaten them, but it will be important to be transparent with the committee about the ethical implications of an autocratic drafting of such important documents. If more education on the topic is warranted, additional time can be spent learning about that. The end result of a solid vision is completely worth it. But I do need a plan B. What happens if my plan doesn't come to fruition? Well, in the event that gathering important stakeholder input to guide and develop the philosophy, mission, and vision statements is unsuccessful, it's likely that I'm going to need to seek support from upper administration, and possibly also the school board. If their expectation is for an outsider to come in knowing all of the ins and outs of the community and the priorities identified without seeking input from others, they aren't really seeking a school philosophy, mission, and vision, but they're seeking an administrator's philosophy, vision, and mission. That's a dangerous foundation to lay. Admins change. The school is part of the community. My reflection on this assignment, this case study was very helpful in pulling together all the key concepts learned in EDL 852. Looking at crafting a successful mission and vision statement, ethical decision making, involvement of stakeholders, and then overall collaborative leadership. Tying all of those components together to help a team come together to create a philosophy and vision for a brand new school that reflect a core set of values and priorities was important. Helping a team to come to that consensus from an initial desire to allow the administrator, just me, to dictate, and then the committee would rubber stamp their approval, involves patience and willingness to educate on the importance of foundational documents. My resources, and thank you.